Wow, so you got 4 inputs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. And like I say, I've got another one just like it. I just didn't have time to put them both in.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not sure. I think I might be giving it too much signal.
That's a tall amp too.
It's actually 2 boards.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
You too, man.
Just keep the stuff out of the way, man. I just got here about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, really? Okay. Wow, could you tell me your name and what's in here? I know you said you just finished it.
Yeah, my name's Matthew. It is 4 X15s, dual 4s.
Okay.
Right now, it's only 1 amp. I've got another one just like it, but I just didn't have time to get them both in.
Okay.
So it's running at 2 ohm. The box is tuned to 42. It's a 4th order, 2 to 1.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I've got a Mechman 370 alternator, excess power VCM.
Okay.
Then it's just a Soundstream 1200.4 on the highs.
Nice.
And then it's just some Hyponics 5 1/4, Pioneer 6 1/2.
Okay. I like the way you offset the box, so it went in here, and then you lift it up for more space.
Well, it was the only way that I could get the port to fit in without interfering with the baffle.
Oh, that's a good point.
Because it's sealed on that side.
Yeah.
So I could not get the port to go any further. I wanted to make the port shorter.
Yeah.
And wider.
Yes, sir.
It just didn't work out. Yeah, it's loud as shit out here today.
No, it's all good, man.
Wow. But yeah, I mean, it's okay right now. But it's getting there. Like I say, I couldn't even play it last night. I turned it on to make sure it worked.
Yes, sir.
And then I headed up here this morning. My amp went into protect several times.
That's weird.
I'm not sure what it is because I'm running it at 2 ohm. It's meant to run at 1 ohm.
Wow.
You ever seen one of those?
No.
That's America 12K.
Wow.
They're pretty tough.
That's a tall amp too.
It's actually 2 boards.
Really?
Yeah, you'll have to slide it up. These are out of a Blazer. I didn't realize they were 4-door seats.
It's all right.
They don't lean up.
Yeah. Wow, so you got 4 inputs.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. And like I say, I've got another one just like it. I just didn't have time to put them both in.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not sure. I think I might be giving it too much signal.
Yeah. Input voltage signal?
Yeah, voltage signal, because it said that it was capped at 10.
Yeah.
I know this deck is a 10 volt out. So I'm just not sure what's going on.
Thank you for showing me, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for checking me out.
You're
dude.
welcome.
Nice to meet you, too. I do watch a shit ton of your videos. So.
You do? Yes, sir. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, look forward. When I get it right, I'll send you a tape, or maybe you ride by later.
This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Matthew system at the Sundown show in North Carolina area, was showcased. I actually got with him right when he showed up, so he wasn't expecting to meet me for a demo, but we made it happen. So give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive to see a unique style double stacked amplifier, 12,000 watts RMS, and he said he was planning to run 2 of them, and this is actually really turned down and not even getting full power, being at 2 ohms. I like the layout of his box as well as the paint job, and notice the way the subwoofers are mounted inverted for cooling style, being a 4th order sealed enclosure. I didn't find out the exact specs as far as how much cubic space is in the sealed section. I know most 15-inch subs are between 1.5 and 2.2, and if you notice the way he has that solid brace, helps keep the box reinforced. I kind of wish I would have got more information about the specs of the box, but I didn't, so sorry about that. And powerful amplifier, you don't really see a lot of this brand EMF or double stacked amplifiers because there's more risk and prone of issues doing that. So that's why most amplifiers are most likely just going to be single boards. And we're going to be getting to the demo. This is a very incomplete system, so he didn't get me a really loud bass demo, more of a musical system, and he gives me 3 songs. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let him know what you think about his system by commenting and enjoy. That's all good, man.
Wow. But yeah, I mean, it's okay right now.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
I just hadn't got it moved. And this is just on battery. The truck's off.
good motivation, no matter how far that highway goes. An old dirt road to get you home. Come on. If you see it in the roads when you're trying to laugh, see the bullet hole in the stop sign coming. I'm right there with you. Put your drinks up high for my country flag, my country flag. Country flags on tag, your haters. Bubba case, black french fried potatoes. The truck sits high, but the nuts swing low. And I'm on me, I'm muddy hole. Dirty my cubicles, it's just business as usual. These dollars so swollen, but the hustle's so beautiful. Fill up the cooler and just move over through trip count. And the shares, my buddies, and me, nerve like that mountain. Just ask about me. Country flags on tag, your haters. Bubba case, black french fried potatoes. The truck sits high, but the nuts swing low. And I'm on me, I'm muddy hole. Dirty my cubicles, it's just business as usual. These dollars so swollen, but the hustle's so beautiful. Fill up the cooler and just move over through trip count. Fill up the cooler and just move over through trip count. And the shares, my buddies, and me, nerve like that mountain. Just ask about me. My reputation is that of a good.
Definitely not there yet.
Oh yeah, you got.
But it's getting there. Like I say, I couldn't even play it last night. I turned it on to make sure it worked.
Yes, sir.
And then I headed up here this morning. My amp went into protect several times.
That's weird.
I'm not sure what it is because I'm running it at 2 ohms. It's meant to run at 1 ohm. Hey man, thanks for checking me out.
You're
dude.
welcome.
Nice to meet you too. I do watch a shit ton of your videos. So
You do? Yes, sir. Thank you for watching.
yeah, look forward. When I get it right, I'll send you a tape, or maybe you ride by later.